Hey guys, this is Tyler from Next Tech Network. I'm going to give you a review of how to do just a simple, easy background for your YouTube channel. Now, first I'm using a program, it's called Inkscape. It's a free one, open source. And then click on File, go to Document Properties. The width needs to be about 1700. You want your height to be 2000. And the height you want it to be as long as possible, so that way it can, even if it just bleeds off the page, still be better than not having enough. Now we're just going to click over here. We're going to drag out these lines. You're going to need two of these. Now just double click the first one. It's going to bring up this box. Now the X needs to be 360. Double click the second one. And the X needs to be about 1340. Now you don't have to worry about the Y. Just make sure you have the X's in properly. Now this is going to create a space where our content is going to be on our YouTube channel. You're going to click on the rectangle tool. I'm just going to select red for my color. You can choose whatever. I'm going to create one there. It should snap to the handles. I'm going to make a gradient by clicking on that green tool, third from the bottom. Create one right there. Now if I just have that selected, I can duplicate it and drag it over right there, and it should snap to those handles. And now I'm just going to flip it horizontally, and the reason why is because the gradient kind of goes off at a little bit of an angle. Just kind of make everything flow. Click on that. Going to create another one. Say you want it to be, oh whoops. Alright, well deselect that one first, and go ahead click another box. So say I want it to be black for my content. So it's not going to be, you're not going to see it as much as the ones on the side, but it's still going to be noticeable. So you can create that, you can just kind of mess around with it. Hit black, and then I kind of adjust it there. If I click on red, it'll make it black to red. Just kind of, mess around with that, and kind of get it to how you want it. Now this is just a simple background. This is nothing complicated. So it really just consists of three main parts. Of course, you can add your own different patterns and stuff to the side as well. You don't just have to use one box and a gradient. Now just kind of make it to match up with the ones on the side. And now make sure it kind of bleeds off of the page. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that way it doesn't leave a little white line or something. Because sometimes when you go to import it or something, it can shorten it up a little bit. So just make sure it kind of bleeds off the page a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text tool, make sure it's going horizontally by clicking on that icon at the top right. Now I'm just going to make a big, larger font. And let's see if we can get this to work. Nope. It's very strange. I mean, I know it's an open source program. I'm so used to using like Photoshop and stuff at my school, but I mean, once you get used to it, you can actually do a lot of things with this program. So, let's get that. So say you want to call it The Awesome Show or something. Now we just highlight it, we can change the font instead of doing that right away, because sometimes when I do it right away it kind of messes it up. And just make it a dark blue color. So that way you have the title of your channel right there on the side. Or if you have a logo or something, you can import that and just kind of make it a small icon. Or if you want to add a banner going sideways. So once you have that adjusted, that's really about it. Then you go to File and Save As. You can go ahead, type in the title. So that way you know where to find it. I'm saving it to the desktop. Now make sure it normally says SVG. You're going to want to save it PNG. Go ahead, save. Don't really need that again. So as you see now, it's saved up in the corner of your desktop. That's where I put it. And so now the next step is you're going to go to your YouTube channel, click on Themes and Colors, and then we're going to hit Show Advanced Options. And then last, you're just going to upload the background image that I saved to my desktop. Alright, I hope that helped. Check out our website at nexttechnet.com. And please subscribe, and thank you for watching.